Welcome to Healthy Care, your trusted source for essential health knowledge and tips to lead a happier, healthier life. What if the simplest food on your plate was also the most powerful weapon against aging, disease, and fatigue? For decades, eggs have been misunderstood, branded as cholesterol bombs or just boring breakfast staples. But science now tells a very different story. A 2020 meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who eat eggs regularly have a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and even early death, compared to those who avoid them. Yes, 2 humble eggs a day might be doing more for your body than a cabinet full of supplements. In this video, we're cracking open the real story behind eggs, revealing 13 scientifically proven benefits that most people have never heard of. From boosting brain power to building lean muscle, glowing skin to stronger immunity, these oval powerhouses are far more than just breakfast. If you think you know what eggs can do for your health, think again. Stay with us until the end, because the truth might just scramble everything you thought you knew. 1. Eggs, the key to living a long life. Unexpectedly, eggs may contribute to the realization of the universal goal of living a long and fulfilling life. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses that can affect longevity, but they are frequently disregarded. Research shows that diets high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins are associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. These healthy components are found in eggs, where choline lowers the risk of metabolic disorders by promoting brain health and preventing the accumulation of liver fat. In addition to improving eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin also lessen silent inflammation, which accelerates cellular aging. Another benefit of eating eggs is that they preserve muscle mass, since sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, can result in falls and decreased independence. Consuming egg proteins preserves muscle mass and function. Additionally, eggs' antioxidants prevent oxidative stress, a major contributor to early aging, minimizing cellular damage and improving long-term health. A balanced diet that includes 2 eggs per day may have a significant impact on your long-term health. 2. Non-consumer egg substitutes. There are good substitutes for eggs if you are unable to eat them because of allergies, medical conditions, or personal preference. When combined with water, chia seeds form a gel-like egg substitute that works well for baking. For each egg required, combine 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. As an alternative, mashed bananas can be used in place of eggs and sweets to give them a moist texture and nutritional value. Another option is unsweetened applesauce, which binds ingredients and holds moisture well, making it ideal for baking. Other protein sources such as tofu or legumes can be used in place of eggs in meals. Even though these substitutes work well in recipes, it's crucial to keep up a varied, well-balanced diet that meets your nutritional needs. Making minor dietary adjustments like eating 2 eggs every day can have a big impact on your emotional, mental, and physical health. Eggs help maintain a healthy immune system, preserve vision, enhance the brain, help control weight, and lengthen life. Making educated, well-balanced food choices can contribute to the creation of a healthier future, as there are many safe preparation techniques and substitutes for people who avoid eggs. Whether you want to live a longer life, be more focused, or look better, keep in mind that change starts on your plate. 3. Selection and safety of eggs. Egg quality and safety are guaranteed when handled carefully. Choosing eggs with clean, undamaged shells is essential because cracks let dangerous bacteria like salmonella in. When an egg cracks, throw away any that have an odd color or an unpleasant smell. To avoid moisture and contamination, eggs should be kept in the refrigerator in their original packaging. Cleaning eggs only before use is advised because despite their apparent hygienic nature, doing so can remove the protective layer and facilitate bacterial entry. Eggs are safe when cooked thoroughly, but if you want soft yolks, buy fresh eggs from reputable suppliers. Use pasteurized eggs in recipes that call for raw eggs like mayonnaise, especially for susceptible populations like expectant mothers or people with weakened immune systems. Making dietary decisions based on individual preferences and nutritional requirements can be aided by knowledge of different egg types, such as duck, quail, or chicken eggs. 4. Optimizing the nutrient advantages of eggs. The way eggs are prepared has a big impact on how well nutrients are absorbed. Boiling eggs is an excellent method that preserves the yolk, which is high in vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as important antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, while retaining the majority of nutrients and avoiding extra fats. Heat-sensitive nutrients are preserved in poached eggs, which are cooked in hot water without fat. They provide a tasty twist on everyday meals. If made with little butter or oil, scrambled eggs can be a healthy food. They are higher in fiber and vitamins when olive oil is used and vegetables like spinach or tomatoes are added. Conversely, eating raw eggs increases the risk of contracting salmonella, and should be avoided because the avidin in raw egg whites hinders the absorption of biotin. Complete nutritional benefits are guaranteed when eggs are prepared safely. 5. Liver support and natural detox. While most people recognize eggs for their muscle-building protein or eye-protecting antioxidants, few are aware of their impressive role in supporting liver function and detoxification. The liver is one of the body's most vital organs, responsible for filtering toxins, metabolizing fats, and processing nutrients. When the liver is overworked, due to poor diet, medication use, or environmental pollutants, it becomes sluggish, which can lead to fatigue, digestive issues, and even chronic disease over time. One of the most essential nutrients for liver health is choline, and eggs are one of the best natural sources of it. In fact, just 2 eggs a day can provide over half the recommended daily intake of choline for adults. Choline helps prevent fat accumulation in the liver by aiding in the transport and metabolism of fats and cholesterol. Without enough choline, the liver can develop non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a silent but serious condition now affecting millions worldwide. Studies have shown that people with low choline intake are at significantly higher risk for liver dysfunction. Additionally, the sulfur-containing amino acids found in egg yolks, such as methionine and cysteine, support the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that the liver uses to neutralize toxins and reduce oxidative stress. Including eggs in your daily diet gives your liver the nutrients it needs to perform its critical detoxifying functions effectively. And unlike harsh detox regimens or supplements, eggs nourish the liver naturally, gently, and consistently. When your liver functions optimally, your entire body feels the benefit, from clearer skin and better digestion to improved energy levels and hormone balance. So the next time you enjoy a couple of eggs, know that you're not just feeding your muscles or sharpening your brain, you're giving your liver a powerful daily dose of support to help it keep your system clean, balanced, and thriving. 6. An army against illness. Boosting the immune system is absolutely vital in a world full of viruses and bacteria, and eggs can greatly help. 2 eggs a day give nutrients that function as defense agents. One important component, vitamin A, preserves the integrity of mucous membranes in the nose, mouth, and respiratory tract, first defenses against germs. Vitamin B12 is also plentiful in eggs, which is essential for the formation and preservation of immune cells, including lymphocytes that spot and destroy body threats. Another essential element is selenium, which generates toxin-neutralizing enzymes, controls inflammation, and provides antioxidant ability to guard immune cells. Although mostly associated with bone health, vitamin D directly influences the immune system, balances inflammatory reactions, and stimulates antimicrobial peptides capable of eradicating dangerous bacteria. Although no one food is a magic bullet, eggs enhance a balanced diet and help other body systems function as well as prevent disease. 7. Brain food. Having trouble remembering key facts or focusing? Your brain may be nutrient hungry, and eggs have them. Often underappreciated but essential for brain cells, choline fuels acetylcholine synthesis, a neurotransmitter fundamental for memory, learning, and mood control. Neurotransmission suffers without sufficient choline. 2 eggs provide roughly 125 milligrams of choline, which covers a good portion of the daily advised intake, 425 milligrams for women, 550 milligrams for men. Apart from choline, eggs contain B vitamins including B6, B9, folic acid, and B12, which are vital for neurological function. By lowering high homocysteine levels, linked with neurodegenerative disease risks, through these nutrients, pregnant and nursing women, with medical direction, and adults can improve brain health and possibly, over time, memory and cognitive performance. Beyond only memory and concentration, including eggs in your diet helps body and mind. 8. The natural shield your eyes have ignored. Imagine if your diet now could protect your eyesight for next generations. 2 antioxidants absolutely vital for eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin, are found in great abundance in eggs. Found in the yolk, they directly guard the retina from light-induced damage, by filtering dangerous blue light from screens and sunlight, so lowering macular damage risk. They also neutralize radicals causing aging of eye cells. Studies link consistent antioxidant intake to reduced cases of age-related macular degeneration, the main cause of vision loss in elderly persons. Because their antioxidants shield the lens from stress, eggs also help to prevent cataracts. Rhodopsin, required for low-light vision, is produced in eggs from vitamin A. Deficits can cause night blindness and other eye problems. While benefiting other body parts, including 2 eggs daily is a basic, delicious method of long-term eye care. 9. The treasure inside the shell. Often hailed as superfoods, eggs have good cause. Every one of them is a powerhouse with vital nutrients needed for body operations daily. 2 egg consumption provides a complete health package. Large eggs on average have about 6 grams of premium protein loaded with all the required amino acids. Building and repairing tissues including muscles, skin, hair, and immune cells all depend on these proteins. Amazingly, 1 egg has just 78 calories and yet contains all this goodness. Apart from protein, eggs abound in important vitamins. Their vitamin A supports immune system function and vision. Their good dosage of vitamin B12 is vital for brain development and red blood cell production. They also offer natural antioxidant vitamin E and vitamin D, which is necessary for strong bones and calcium absorption. Often disregarded, vitamin K helps with blood clotting and bone maintenance. Additionally, providing minerals like phosphorus for strong teeth and bones and selenium, a powerful antioxidant protecting cells from damage, are eggs not to overlook. Choline, a nutrient vital for cellular integrity and brain function, from which eggs shine as the main natural source. Eggs are clearly treasures from nature. Still, there's more to learn. 10. The connection between heart health and eggs. Eggs' high cholesterol content was long thought to be harmful to heart health. But thanks to advances in science, we now have a more complex understanding of the relationship between eggs and heart health. According to recent research, dietary cholesterol generally has little effect on raising LDL, or bad cholesterol levels in the bloodstream for the majority of healthy people. Even though the yolk contains cholesterol, an increase in dietary intake usually results in a decrease in the body's natural production of cholesterol. Furthermore, eggs can increase HDL or good cholesterol, which aids in the liver's removal of excess cholesterol from the arteries. This could lower the risk of coronary heart disease and improve cardiovascular health. Additionally, lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants found in eggs, lower oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 important factors in the development of heart disease. Additionally, lipid balance and vascular health are supported by the presence of good fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. According to research, eating up to 1 egg daily may reduce the risk of heart problems in healthy people. In certain situations, eating 2 eggs daily may be safe as long as it's part of a balanced diet. To ascertain the appropriate level of consumption, people with a history of heart disease or high cholesterol should speak with a healthcare provider. Eggs are no longer considered the dietary villains they once were. 11. The surprising beauty booster hiding in every egg. When it comes to beauty, most people rush toward creams, serums, or expensive supplements. But what if the real secret to glowing skin, healthy hair, and resilient nails was already waiting in your kitchen? Eggs, often underestimated and misunderstood, are one of nature's most complete beauty-enhancing foods. Each egg provides a generous supply of high-quality protein, the essential nutrient your body uses to build keratin, the structural protein that makes up your hair and nails. Without enough of it, hair becomes thin and brittle, nails lose their strength, and your natural radiance begins to fade. But eggs go far beyond just protein. They're loaded with biotin, the well-known beauty vitamin that plays a vital role in skin renewal and the growth of strong, thick hair. Most people don't realize that the egg yolk is one of the richest natural sources of this nutrient. On top of that, vitamin A found in eggs stimulates the production of sebum, keeping skin moisturized and youthful-looking. Antioxidants like selenium and zinc neutralize free radicals that cause premature aging, protecting your skin's elasticity and texture. And let's not forget choline, another powerhouse nutrient found in eggs, which supports the health of your skin's cell membranes, contributing to a smoother, firmer appearance. Eating 2 eggs a day isn't just a habit, it's an investment in long-term beauty. Your skin will feel more hydrated, your hair will regain its natural shine and strength, and your nails will become more durable and less prone to breakage. The next time you crack open an egg, remember, you're not just nourishing your body, you're feeding your beauty from the inside out. 12. Eggs for natural muscle growth. Building muscle and maintaining physical strength isn't just for athletes or bodybuilders, it's essential for anyone who wants to stay active, strong, and independent as they age. And when it comes to fueling your muscles, few foods compare to the power of the egg. Each one is a compact source of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. Among them is leucine, a key amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis, helping your muscles recover faster and grow stronger after each workout or daily activity. Unlike processed protein powders that can be expensive, difficult to digest, or full of additives, eggs are completely natural and highly bioavailable. That means your body absorbs and utilizes the protein in eggs more efficiently than many other sources. But the benefits don't stop at muscle repair. Eggs also deliver a rich supply of B vitamins that help convert the food you eat into energy, keeping you fueled and focused throughout your day. They contain iron and phosphorus, critical minerals for muscle contraction and endurance, as well as vitamin D, which plays an important role in preserving muscle mass and bone health, particularly for aging adults. Whether you're recovering from a tough gym session, maintaining strength as you grow older, or simply trying to feel more energized and agile, adding 2 eggs to your daily routine is one of the easiest and most effective things you can do. Affordable, versatile, and packed with nourishment, eggs are a natural muscle enhancer that fits perfectly into any diet. So instead of chasing the latest fitness fad or relying on synthetic supplements, go back to what works, and let eggs support your strength from the inside out. 13. Remarkable effect of eggs on blood sugar control. Not only is controlling blood sugar important for diabetics, but everyone else should avoid energy highs and lows and lower their future metabolic disease risk. Surprising allies here, eggs have almost zero glycemic index, which means they don't raise glucose levels. Mostly composed of protein and good fats with low carbohydrates, this produces consistent energy release and slow digestion, especially at breakfast. Eating 2 eggs helps to preserve blood sugar balance throughout the day, so lowering insulin levels that cause fat accumulation and insulin resistance. Regular egg intake reportedly increases insulin sensitivity, which is vital for type 2 and pre-diabetics. Eggs also reduce appetite, so limiting ultra-processed and sugary food intake that aggravates glycemic problems. Along with foods high in fiber, such as vegetables or whole grains, eggs help to stabilize energy levels and prevent sharp highs and lows. Besides, eggs support heart health while you're thinking about blood sugar. Now that you've seen the incredible impact 2 simple eggs can have on your brain, body, and overall vitality, the next step is yours to take. In a world overflowing with complex diets and overpriced health products, sometimes the greatest transformations begin with the most ordinary choices. 1 egg. Then 2. Every day, fueling your mind, strengthening your muscles, and protecting your future from the inside out. If you found this video eye-opening or inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more powerful, science-backed insights that can change your health, one habit at a time. New videos are added every week to help you eat smarter, live stronger, and age with confidence. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health journey starts with what's on your plate. We'll see you in the next one.